Hey there. Hey, it smells like cinnamon, warmth, and care in here, which means it's time to make our new healthy dessert. Let's go. Start by taking 2 cups of rolled oats. Then warm up half a cup of milk and pour it over the oats. Stir everything well. And let it sit for a bit. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oats are soaking, take 3 apples and grate them. You can peel them if you like, but I left the skin on. I recommend using sweet varieties, so you won't need to add extra sweetener, or you can use less of it. Add the grated apples to the oats. And stir to combine. Next, take about 2 ounces of shelled walnuts, chop them with a knife, and add them to the bowl. Feel free to use your favorite nuts instead. Mix everything well again. Now, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1.8 fluid ounces of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of your preferred sweetener, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix all of these into the batter thoroughly. Be sure to read your sweetener's instructions. You may need to adjust the amount based on the type you use. We're almost there. Crack 2 eggs directly into the batter. And mix everything one more time. Yay! Our batter is ready. Now grab a baking dish and grease it with a bit of butter. Or use vegetable oil if you prefer. Pour the batter into the dish and spread it out evenly. Now it's time for the topping. Take 1/2 cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, a handful of dried cranberries, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it all together thoroughly. If your honey is too firm, gently warm it up so it becomes more liquid. You can also swap cranberries for any other dried berries. Spread this mixture evenly on top of the batter. Let's bake. Place the dish in the oven and bake for about 40 minutes. Depending on your oven, it might take a bit longer. Check for doneness before taking it out. I'm already excited to try it, so I'm going to brew some aromatic tea while we wait. I love experimenting with new blends of hot tea. While the tea is steeping, let's prepare a chocolate glaze. Break up 3.5 ounces of unsweetened chocolate and place it in a saucepan. Add 1.8 fluid ounces of vegetable oil, or use cream or butter instead. Stir constantly while melting until the mixture is smooth. Once the cake is done and out of the oven, pour the warm glaze over the top. It smells amazing. And it looks beautiful too. Let's enjoy our tea with this cozy, healthy dessert. Bon appétit, and see you next time.